Hey guys, what up? It's iDestiny. Welcome back. So today I'm teaching you guys how to thrift on eBay, something that I've been doing for a while now. If you guys have seen my style videos, as well as just my hauls in general, I do a lot of thrifting online videos, just showing you guys what I got. So the first thing you're going to do is jump over here to the upper right hand corner and click Advanced. This is up right next to the blue search button if you guys can see it. Then you're going to jump over to the Advanced Search and see that tab where it says Stores, Find Stores. So click that, and then we're going to type in thrift in this box and search. So what I'm trying to do is kind of weed out a lot of the other random stores on eBay and specifically look for stores that have thrifted items. You know, maybe they're a mom and pop shop, maybe they are a brick and mortar, maybe they're an individual, but you can kind of go through this list. There's like 800 and something different stores. So you can literally go through and just click different stores, kind of pull up their page, see what they have. So this person has a lot of like thrift shoes. As you can tell, they're very, very thrifty. They're very used. That jacket's kind of cute though. Keep scrolling. Okay, we like the little fringe boots. Those are cute. That kind of like denim jacket. And then let's continue to kind of scroll through the list. There's just a bunch of different stores on here. Some of them have a description, some of them don't. It helps sometimes when they do, because at least you know, okay, is it a thrift store that has clothes? Do they have shoes? Do they have collectibles? What is it that they have? So I like to open each store in a new page. That way if I see something I like, I can kind of go back to it time and time again. Okay, so we can see here, this store, they have a lot of cute dresses, kind of like summer dresses a little bit. So if that's your vibe, click here. And you can see that it's an actual kind of store, like a little boutique-y almost thrift store, because they have like their little backdrop. The pictures are very, you know, kind of professional. It looks like they put in some effort. Okay, so let's click on another store, see what they got. Okay, so this person specifically has collectibles and vinyl. If you guys have not seen my quote-unquote minimalist vinyl collection video, I'm gonna link it above, but I always love a good record when I can find them. So I'm gonna save the seller, which you can do, that way you don't forget who you're following, and whenever they have new items, it's going to show up on your home page, which is really convenient that eBay does that. Okay, so this one's kind of cute. They got some, you know, red leather skirts, some cool kind of edgy black pants, a lot of cute vintage purses. If you guys have not seen my vintage purse hauls, I'm going to link one of those videos above. I just have so many different purses that are vintage or thrifted, that are just all different kinds. So I'm going to link those for you guys to check out as well. All right, let's see another person. Okay, so if you have a man in your life who loves Levi's, who loves polos, you can definitely get a lot of them on eBay, and a lot of them still have tags and stuff on them. So I know for me, this is like where I get a lot of Mike stuff, which is really cool. But it's definitely helpful, especially during the holidays when you don't have time to run out to the store, or you're just looking for a good deal. So if they're brand new, they still got tags. Why not? Okay, let's see what else is out there. Okay, so for those of you that love like vintage band tees, lots of really cool kind of like rocker chic stuff. There's sellers on eBay that have just specifically that. Look at that Bob Marley shirt, that's cute. Weezer, yes. And they a lot of times have tabs on the side, that way you can kind of click and see what's going on. So I'm going to show you guys another way that I love to look for thrifted items. So let's type in vintage leather motorcycle jacket for women's jackets. So, okay, the first one that you guys see is a sponsored post, so let's skip over that and keep scrolling. Okay, we see some leather fringe. We love the fringe. Keep going down. Okay, vintage Levi's leather jacket. Let's click on that. In a petite medium. Okay, so it's really, really cute, distressed. As you see, they have a good description. The photos are really nice, kind of professional. So what I want to do is check out this seller, see what else they got, see if their other items are cute. So let's go over to the right where it says seller information and click their name, their username. This is going to take us to their actual page, and then we can see their store, their items that they have. Maybe they have some featured items that are really hot, so it'll kind of tell us on their page. So, okay, they have a few items there. Let's click and see their full items for sale. Ooh, okay, y'all see that Norwegian wool sweater? I need that in my life. And by the way, I'm gonna be so upset if one of y'all gets on eBay and buys this before I do, because it's too cute. So I'm just gonna click watch because it looks bomb. Okay, but as you guys can see, like once you find a seller who has one really hot item, if you go to their store and just keep clicking, you'll continue to find amazing things. So this is how I find a lot of my sellers that I continue to buy from. If I see that they have just a good curation of items, I'll continue to follow them and just keep checking out their page every now and then. So this person has a lot of like cool thrifted, vintagey looking boots. They have some cool kind of like winter jackets and stuff. Let's see what else. So you can either save the search or save the seller. So for instance, I have certain hats that I have saved as a search and I get notifications to my phone, which is great. So let's look up something else, just for the heck of it. Vintage Diane von Furstenberg, or DVF, for those of you that are more familiar with her monogram dress. Let's see what that brings up. Okay, so we have a lot of her dresses, some by individuals, some by kind of professionals, people that are either selling out of their home, that this is their main business, or like thrifted boutiques. So we're looking for items on mannequins, guys, okay? So stuff that looks like, you know, people actually put a little bit of time and effort, because again, we're not just looking for one item, we're looking for a potential seller that we could kind of create a relationship with and buy items from them time and time again. And a cool thing is if they see that you're buying from them, you know, time and time again, sometimes they can reach out to you, maybe give you a coupon code in your message box so that you can buy more items from them, which is cool. So let's click on their thrift shop. What's it called? Purple Cactus Thrift. Okay, so they are thrift stores, see? So this kind of will help you find this process. Sorry if you guys hear my AC clicking on. Let's look at their items and see what they have for sale. All right, they got a cute little green dress. They got some cute Michael Kors tops. Okay, some jeans. Okay, so for those of you that have this particular style, this would be a great store for you. So once you find a seller who has a few items that you find that you're really liking that fit your style, follow their page. I mean, a lot of these people try to curate their shops to have a certain type of look or certain types of items that maybe fit a particular style. Okay, those little slip-ons are cute. Dolce Vita, we love those. Yeah, they had some cute stuff. So you can go ahead and follow the seller. But those are kind of like the two ways that I thrift shop on eBay. And then, you know, you just kind of go down the rabbit hole from there. So once you kind of know how to do those two things, I feel like the sky's the limit. You can continue to search just endlessly, whatever you want. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I can do another one of these kind of like walkthrough videos where I explain like how I thrift shop, or maybe just how I online shop in general. But like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see you later. Bye.